How to deactivate an Instagram account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily deactivate your Instagram account very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to deactivate your Instagram account, first of all open Instagram app and then click on profile picture on the bottom right corner, and then you have to click on three horizontal lines on top right corner and just scroll down and click on account center, and here you can see personal details. Click on it. Here you can see account ownership and control. Click on it, and now two different options will appear. You have to click on second option, deactivation or deletion, and here you have to select the account that you want to deactivate. After that you will see two different options, deactivation account or deletion account. I want to deactivate my account. I will just click on first option and click on continue, and here you have to enter your password. After that click on continue, and here you have to select any reason for the deactivation of account. You can select any reason, it doesn't matter, and click on continue, and after that you have to click on deactivate account, and you can see my Instagram account has been deactivated successfully. So guys, in this way you can deactivate your Instagram account very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.